오. 찬이도. 아니네.
This is the emergency alert system, activated by the Minecraftian Disaster Authority or MDA. We are interrupting your programming to bring breaking news in Avoej. According to Terrestrial News Avoej, there is a reported 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck the city of Avoej. Take action immediately. If you are inside of a building or house, stay away from objects that can cause harm to you and others. Initiate duck, cover and hold until the shake stops. If you are outside, go to an area away from buildings, streets, traffic lights, and possible objects that can cause harm. Prepare for potential aftershocks. Avoid entering damaged structures. Also, if you are on a building after the shake, evacuate now to the nearest evacuation centers. Authorities is now warned about the possible tsunami risks. Stay tuned for further updates.
우리 지금 찬이 들어봐봐. 언니가 지금 맛집을 이제 열심히 찾아봤거든. 너 예약을 해.